Look at this fancy little box for Sony Handycam. Wow, it's the cube. 30GB hard disk drive. DCR-SR62E PAL. Better be my pal. 1.1 gross. 1.0 effective. What is that supposed to mean? Why don't you just say either 1.1 or 1.0? Oh, it's got the Sony Registration Award. Wow, you get to be rewarded for giving Sony all your personal information. Who doesn't want to do that? You gotta always remember the spare battery. Just have 100 batteries. Make sure, give Sony all your money. The manual for the Handycam, which is apparently for heaps of different models. Oh, someone's underlined what this one is. Composite cable. 2-pin plug. Don't know what this is, one of the plugs for it, and AC adapter so you can just power the camera forever without having to worry about the batteries. Fancy bag that says on it, whatever that means, and it's got the Chunghwa language. I better unbox everything else except for the camera. Let's enjoy video. Well, let's enjoy. Oh, what? It's got the super smile girl holding the camera because just everything's so happy and perfect when you're using a Sony camera. And the application software. Can't they just put all this stuff on one disc? What's the point of spreading it out? Sony battery pack. Which one is this? The MP-FH40. So tiny and it better hold that billion-hour charge. And of course they always tell you to have the spare battery and they tell you to get the most expensive one that has the highest capacity. Still going. Ooh, Sony remote. Brand new, unused. And now for the feature presentation. Oh wait, no, there's still more in here. Desiccant, better leave that in there. Take advantage of our extended warranty. Yeah, just pay thousands of dollars. And you get the wrist strap. Wow, and you get the advertising little leaflet thingy, whatever it is. 25 times optical zoom. I'm trying to put it where it doesn't get any glare. It's impossible. Don't have a cameraman. It says 1.0 megapixel here. It doesn't say 1.1 like it doesn't say it says on the box. Carl Zeiss Vario Tessar. What else does it say in here? Just got to show every little piece of it because I'm sure everyone wants to see that and not the camera. Handycam station supplied. Oh, I didn't get the Handycam station. Lied to me. And here's the tiny little mini Sony camera. Really is the Handycam. Then why is this gigantic mega bulky one I'm recording with called a Handycam? It doesn't fit in your hand. Oh, and this tiny little mini camera gets the wireless remote, but the professional one I'm recording on has to use a plug-in one. Thanks, Sony. 2000 times digital zoom. May as well get it close. And of course, just gonna say Sony there, and it's got the fancy touch screen. All the buttons. Show every side of it. 2000 times digital zoom. What is the point of digital zoom? I've never used it before. It's literally just zooming in onto the picture. What's the point? It doesn't improve the quality or anything. It just makes it worse. And you get the hot shoe on top. They make it so hard to open. And of course you could use the special Sony one. They just sink it down like that. That's all for the camera. I'm sure you want to see this important information. If I can get it without any glare. See how it does.